Welcome friends, this is your favorite channel, It Speaks. Here we will provide information regarding various events occurred on specific dates through our videos.
In this video, date 14 January speaks about scientific inventions occurred. First, we will talk about Huygens probe lands on Titan. In 2005, the Huygens space probe landed on Titan, Saturn's largest moon. It had been released from the Cassini spacecraft when its orbit around Saturn converged with the path of Titan on 24 December 2004. In the first three photographs received from Huygens on the surface of Titan, scientists saw what resembled drainage channels, a shoreline, flooded regions surrounded by elevated terrain, and a plain covered with large boulders, possibly of ice. The probe was named after Christian Huygens, the Dutch astronomer who first viewed Titan on 25 March 1655, the first of Saturn's moon to be discovered. Now we will talk about telephone. In 1878, the first demonstration of Alexander Graham Bell's telephone to Queen Victoria at her Osborne House estate on the Isle of Wight. Bell had patented the telephone in 1876 and in 1877. Bell had come to England for his honeymoon and spent time on business. He had demonstrated his device to telegraph engineers and given lectures to scientists. When the Queen saw his telephone, she was much impressed and ordered a private line to be laid between Osborne House on the Isle of Wight and Buckingham Palace. Now we will talk about L-DOPA. In 1970, L-DOPA levodihydroxyphenylalanine was reported to benefit about 5% of the patients in reversing the progress of Parkinson's disease. The results of the first wide-scale experimental use of the drug were announced at a symposium on L-DOPA at Georgetown University School of Medicine by Dr. Robert Keane, Director of Clinical Pharmacology for Eton Laboratories. The work also showed partial improvement in 56% of the 601 patients in this testing, which preceded approval by the US Food and Drug Agency. However, side effects were found to be widespread, ranging from nausea, vomiting, or appetite loss to confusion, nervousness, or hallucinations. Preliminary investigations 3 years earlier showed the potential for the drug when no other effective drug existed. Now we will talk about cesarean section. In 1794, Elizabeth Hogg Bennet became the first woman in the US to successfully give birth to a child by a cesarean section. Her husband, Dr. Jesse Bennett of Edom, Virginia, performed the operation, though he had no anesthetic to give her. Another local doctor, who he asked for assistance, declined, citing excessive risk. In his place, he enlisted the help of two field hands to hold the mother on a wooden table. Whereas this operation was the first of its kind in the US, the history of caesarean operation has been traced as far back as ancient Chinese etchings that depict the procedure on apparently living women. Roman law under Julius Caesar dictated that all women who were dead or dying must be cut open to save the child.
If you like our content, please like and share our videos and also subscribe our channel It Speaks. Thank you.